Hi there, welcome to www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at percentage increase and decrease. So we're going to start off with quite a straightforward topic. We're going to start off with a nice straightforward example of someone buying a car going down or depreciating in value by 20%, and we want to find out how much the car is actually worth now. So there's a few different ways to do this. We're going to look at the way that's going to lead into more than that five work that we're going to cover. But there are alternative methods to get your answer here, and as long as you show you're working, any of them will be fine. So if we look at this question here, we've got the initial value that he pays for the car would be the 100% price. Okay, so starting off, he pays 100% of the price, which is the £20,000, but it drops in price over the time he has it by 20%. So what we're saying is actually at the current value at the present time, it's only going to be worth 80% of what he paid for it. So essentially what this is asking us to do is find 80% of the £20,000. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to convert the 80% to a decimal, which is 0.80. We're going to take that decimal and we're going to multiply it by the 20,000, and that'll tell us the value of the car as it currently stands. So 80% of 20,000, just doing 0.80 times 20,000, and that should give you 16,000. You type that into your calculator. Now the numbers are fairly straightforward here, so this is something you could expect to come up in a non-calculator paper as well, although it's more likely going to be a calculator question for your percentages. So let's have a look at a second example. Stephen bought a painting for £1,800. The painting increased in value, so this time it's going up in price or appreciating by 15%. We want to know how much it's worth now. So again, when he buys the painting, he pays 100% of the price. But this time, rather than going down in value, it's appreciating or increasing in value. So we're adding on the 15% to take us to 115%. We want to convert that to a decimal, which is 1.15. That's just dividing the percentage by 100. And we're going to multiply that by £1,800 we had to start off. So 1.15 times 1,800, and that should give you £2,070, which is what the painting would be worth now. So moving on from that, you could also be asked how much profit did he make on the painting. If we wanted to find out how much profit he made, all we would have to do is find the difference between what he paid for it and what it's worth now. So just a quick subtraction, 2,070 take away 1,800. We're not being asked for that here though, so we'll leave that out for this question. So that's all there is to it. If you want to find a percentage increase or a percentage decrease and find out what the final value will be, then that's your process for it, or at least that's one of the processes you can use. Hopefully you found that useful. For our maths videos and resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk, and if you like the video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe, and please remember and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a magical day.